Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Yes, last class I have started lesson number 3, multiplication. So I will stop that, children, because your FA1 test will be conducted next week. Okay, so I'm going to give you revision. So I have written max revision. So portions I'll write here. Is your test portion FA1. Okay, test portion is lesson number 1, large numbers. Lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. Don't read full classwork, children. We have given worksheet. It has come in PDF. So copy down all worksheet in 200 pages book. So if you start writing here, no. So after one subject, don't leave 10 pages. After one subject, see, now you will start maths. So after maths, you can start your English. If after English comes, if a Kannada comes, after English, you can start your Kannada. So write that July and August worksheet. So this I'm going to start revision, FA1 revision. So patterns I'll write, children. So this in which book you have to copy, don't copy in your worksheet book. So worksheet you should learn properly, thoroughly for your test. This FA1 revision. So I'm giving patterns what it will come for test. The whole worksheet won't come, but you learn that. I give only patterns, what means it will come for test. Last year classworks is there, no, so many pages is there, I think so. Classwork, homework or any other rough book. So copy in that whole book only this revision. Okay, children? So what I'm giving, you don't keep new book, don't ask new book with your parents. Last year books will be, I think so. So take out your last year textbook or rough books or classwork or homework, you can copy in that only, okay? So I'll give some patterns here. First main. Fill in the blanks. Second main, choose the correct answer. Third main, write in words. That means we'll give you numbers. You should write in words. Fourth main, write the numbers in ascending and descending order. See, first main will be fill in the blanks. Second main, choose the correct answer. Write in words. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. So next, fifth main, do as directed. In do as directed, A, write in expanded form. B, find the sum. You know, find the sum means what? It's addition. Find the sum means addition. Find the difference. Last, sixth main, word problem. So only this much means, but in worksheet, see here, this is your question paper pattern, FA1 revision. So I have given some patterns. In worksheet, see here, fill in the blanks is there, choose the correct answer. Third main, write in words. In write in words, in worksheet, write in figures, it is there, but I have not given that. Next is fourth main, compare the numbers using the symbols as no greater, lesser and equal. So that I won't give. Next I am giving, write the numbers in ascending and descending order, it is there. Next is do as directed. In do as directed, first one is write the successor and predecessor. That I won't give. I have given write in expanded form. So next, write the numbers in short form. It is there in worksheet. But for test, I am not giving. Next, look at the abacus and write the numbers. I am not giving. Here, find the missing digits. Addition in worksheet, it is there addition. Find the missing digits. So I did not give find the missing digits. Again, find the sum. Missing digits, it is addition. Again, find the sum. And the next main is find the minion in the following sums. It is there in worksheet. Find the minion. Minion means, it is subtraction. I given the find the difference. Difference means it is a subtraction. So this is missing digits. Find the missing digits. I have given as addition. Here I have given as subtraction. The last main, it is not there in worksheet. So I am giving as revision word problem. Okay, children, word problem. So this is your test pattern. So copy down. So portion is large numbers, addition and subtraction. So refer your classwork if you want to do sums. This and all what is there in your worksheet you can read. Write in words, I'll change the numbers, children. So practice all spellings, 1000, lakh, 100. So practice the spelling, ascending and descending order. What is there in worksheet I won't give, I'll change the number. This to fill in the blanks and choose the correct answer. What is there in worksheet I'm going to give you. This I'll change the number. This I'll change the number. Expanded form I'll change the number. What is there in worksheet I won't give. So I'll change the number. Find the sum. Find the difference. I'll change the number. Word problem. What is there in classwork. So in addition, 2 word problem is there. Subtraction, 2 word problem is there. So totally 4 word problem. For test I'll give 1. So revision I'll give 2. So practice 2 also. So numbers will be changed. So practice all. So did you copy? Shall I rub the board? So first main, FA1 revision, first main, fill in the blanks. First one. So what I'll write on the board, just copy down, children. So can you see here? Yes, in worksheet 7 it is there, children. So I have given 5. So copy down this first main, fill in the blanks. The number or value after adding the addends is called the sum. That means your number will be. So if you add addends, okay, see the number or value. The number or value, the number is there, no? So if you add addends, only this number can you add? No, if you add addends, we'll get the sum. So what we get answer? Answer is called sum. See, the number or value after adding the addends is called the sum. Okay, children? Second one, the sum of the largest 5-digit number. The largest 5-digit number what? The largest 5-digit number. See, largest, 9 is the largest, smallest. We won't consider 0. So it is 1. See a 0, smallest 1-digit number, smallest 1-digit number. 0. So after 0, 1, 1, 1 we can't give. So smallest 1-digit number is 0. So when you write 2-digit number means 1, 0. We won't consider 0 as a number. So next 2-digit number means 1, 0. So no need to learn that now. The sum of the largest 5-digit number and 1 is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the largest 5-digit number and 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 10, 1 carry, 10. So you got your answer, 1 lakh. So, the largest 5-digit number. You may think ma'am has given largest 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ma'am has written 6. See here, the largest means greatest 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written 5 number and 1. If we add 1 to it, we'll get 1 lakh 6-digit number. This is 6-digit smallest number. This is greatest number. So the greatest 4-digit number, 1-digit number is 9, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit number. When 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the number itself. See here, now for example 8, 6, 4, 2 minus 0. In 2, 0 goes means it's 2 only, 4, 6, 8. See, I have written here. When 0 is subtracted means minus from any number, we get the number itself. Last one, after subtracting two numbers, the number we get is called the difference. See, two number, 8, 4, 6, minus 3, 2, 3. So we do subtraction, minus 6, minus 3, like that. So we subtract, when after subtracting two numbers, one number, two number, the number we get is called as difference. So this answer only difference. Yes, no? I told addition we called as sum. See, it is here the number or value after adding the addends. See here if you put plus, after adding the addends, we'll get here sum. If minus it is, we get the difference. Yes, copy down this, children. This is first main. Okay. Yes. Second main. Second main. Choose the correct answer. Don't by heart the answer. Okay, children? See here, the least 4-digit number formed using the digit. Least means the smallest number, not greatest number. The least 4-digit number formed using the digits. Here 3801 I have given the least. We can't consider 0 as a 1-digit number. See, we can't consider. So 0138 we can't. So 1 can be considered. So first answer 8. See, this is 8,301, greatest number. 1,038, 1,038. Here 138. See, if you read, this is 138. This 1,038. This is 8,000. So 1038. You should choose the correct answer. 7,07,000 in figures can be written as. Words means you should write in words. 7,000. See, this is words. This is figures, numbers. Okay, so this is 707. This is, see, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So lakh. In lakh place, what number it is there? 7 lakh and 7. Here all 0. 7 lakh, 7. This is, see, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000. 7,007. So this is the right answer. You should. So in which digit, which place value is there? You should see. You should say ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 7 lakh, 7. See, 100 more than 38,756 more. So more means we should add 100. See here. Your question is 38,756. See, 100 more than 38,756 means 38,756 plus 100. 6, 5, 8, 8, 3. So you got 38,856. Here, see, 39,000. You may think 100 more. Here, one tens, 100 thousands place it has changed. So this is wrong. 48,700. This is 10,000 place has been changed. So this is wrong. See this 100 place. 756, 856. So I have written 38,856. Yes, copy down children. Still two more I'll give. Shall I rub the board? Just pause your mobile and complete this. Yes. Is the difference between the greatest and the least 6-digit number. See the difference between the greatest. Which is the greatest number? 6-digit 99999. 6 digit and the least 6 digit 1 0 0 0 0 0. See here, the difference means minus. Difference means it's minus. Okay, children, you may think which number to choose. So you may think the difference between the sixth greatest and the 6 digit means you will put this dash or that dash. So think properly. Read the difference. Difference means minus between the greatest and the least 6 digit number. Greatest 6 digit number I have written. The least 6 digit number I have written. So 9 0 goes means it's 9 only. 9 9 9 9 9 minus 1. In 9 1 if you cut it is 8. So your answer is, got it? So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 8 lakh 99,999. So this is your right answer. Yes, copy down. Next is 90,000 minus 8,132 is equal to, so which answer you don't know? So 90,000 minus 8,132. So how will you write? So in 0 2 goes means you write 2 only. No, if it is above 9 and minus 0 means you can write the same number. If it is 0, see I taught you in subtraction class, one right answer, one wrong answer. So some of the children and parents, they thought, ma'am is teaching wrong. No, you should know. So now it is here only I am teaching. See, here above 9 and minus 0 means in 9 you can't cut 0. So I write the same number. If it is 0 minus 2, below it is 2, what you should do? So if you borrow here 1, you will get 19. In 19 you can't cut 0. So if you borrow here, no, you will get 10. Say, here you can't borrow, here you can't borrow, here you can't borrow, here. So 1, if you cut, here it will become 10, here it will become 8. So you should borrow for next number, 9. Here it will become 10. 9, because you borrowed here. So if you want to borrow, it will become 9. At last, it will become 10. In 10, you can cut 2 fingers. See, if 10 is there, cut 2 fingers, 8. So above 0 and below 2 it is there means you can borrow. If you are 9 and 0, you should write the same number. You should not write 0, and if you should not write, oh yeah, 0 minus 2. So we'll write 0. No children, you should borrow. So 10 minus 2, 8. 9, cut 3 fingers, 6. 9, cut 1 finger, 8. 9, cut 8 fingers, 1. Here 8 it will be. So your answer is 81,868. So this two answer, no, 81,868. Yes, copy down this children. So first main and second main has finished. So I'll give third main. So how you got the answer I have written there. Okay children. Yes, pause your mobile. Yes, next is third main. Third main, write in words. Third main, write in words. So write in words, I have given in worksheet 2. Okay, so here I'll change the number. See if it is, if I give like this, So if I give two numbers like this, how will you write? See, you should write in words. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Tens place 10 is there, hundreds, thousands place 8. So if you join 10 plus 8, 18. So you should write 18,000. See here, you should not write 10,000, 8,000. So many last year children, they are written like that only. 10,000 because 10,000. So 10,000 here, thousands plate 8 is a 8,000. No, if you join, it is 18,368. 18,300. 368. Yes, we'll pronounce like this only, no, 368. You write 368. You write no. See, 18,368. I have written. Now, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. In lakh, what number it is there? Lakh place? 7 lakh. 7 lakh. This is both are thousand. So 36,000. See, 7 lakh 36,175. 175. You should not write 75. 100. 7. 5. No. 7 lakh 36,175. So 18 spelling, 1000 spelling, 100, lakh spelling. So learn all the spellings. You should write correctly. Copy down this, children. So in worksheet, after third main, this A1, B1 is write the numbers in figures. So that I won't give children. So just you learn that. Next worksheet, compare the numbers using, I won't give. Just you practice it. So fourth main is write the numbers in ascending and descending order. So I'll give that. So pause your mobile, complete this. So last fourth main. Write the numbers. Numbers in ascending and descending. First one. So I have given like this. So in one sum only I have given, okay. So AO means ascending order. Here, descending order. So in your question paper, number has been changed. So I have given like this only. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers I have given. AO means what? Ascending order. DO means this. You may think, oh, ma'am has given something AO, DO. No. AO, ascending. A, descending. DO. So read the main heading. See, ascending order means small to big. So first number you have to see. You should not see from right side. When you do sums only, you should do from the right side. When you see this ascending order, you should see from the left side. See here, 777, 888. So 78,000, comma. So we should go for third number. See, first two numbers, same number only, 78, 78, 78, 78. So I'll go for next number. See, 406, 604, 464, 644. In that number, see, you may think 4 is there. Here also 4 is there. You can't. Here 6 is there. There 6 is there. So how you will see the smallest number? You should go for next number. So 406, 464. So 406 is the small number. So I have written this 406. Next 78,464. I have written this. So when the two numbers are same, see 6 and 6, 4 and 4. So you should check 406, 464. So in both number, if you see 406 is a small number. Next is 464. Next 78,604, 644. So 604 is a small number. So I written this 78,644. So I have written small to big. See 406, 464, 604, 644 I have written. So this is ascending order. Descending order means from big to small. So what I'll do? So I'll copy this 78,644. Next up 78,604. Next this up 78,464. Next is 78,406. So you have written from here. See, small to big. So from big to small means 78,644, 78,604, 78,464. Last small. So from I came reverse. From big to small, small to big. So if you write ascending order correctly, you can go for descending order, because ascending you should check and write. Descending means from here. You should come backward. So write correctly in the test. See the numbers 1 to 2 times you check and you write. Okay, children, copy down. So this is fourth main, sorry. This is fourth main. Write the numbers in ascending and descending order. So last I'll end my class. Okay, so fifth main, sixth main, I'll give it in next class. So copy down this, children. No homework. Thank you.